I'm going to be changing the oil on my dad's work truck. That's a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado to the 2500 HD. So my potatoes here I have today. This is an oil pan. I'm going to be using this to put under the filter, so when the filter comes down, the oil can go into this. Then I'm going to need a 5/8 socket and a 3/8 ratchet, and this kind of goes together. Then I need this thing to tie in the filter, the new filter, which this kind of goes into this like this, and then you just twist it. Then I need the new filter itself, which is a Mobil Extended Performance M1-1138. What?
M1, that's the one, not now.
M1-1138. And then we have the motor oil, that is motor oil, and it's SAE 5W30, which is the one that needs for this car. And then we have a rag and a funnel. So at first,
how much oil is that? Do you know?
That's 6 quarts of oil. So first, I need this. We're gonna go under, and I'm gonna need this, and then I go under. Okay, I'm trying to put awkward one. Okay, let's see. That's right. This is great. Let's see. Well, this is stuck. This thing's all tight. Wait. Okay, I can't get it with my hand.
Get it all the way out. Just keep going. Just don't pull it out.
Oh. Oof.
All the oil, yes.
What can I use oil for? Well, we got the plug out, and that was all the oil. Now we need to get the filter out. So the filter, to get the filter out. Oh, wow. Will oil come out of that thing?
Yes,
So I need to move the pan?
that's correct. So hold on first. And then twist.
Wait, no, wait. Oh, this is hard.
Mm-hmm.
Especially one of your hands is oily.
That's why you are using the tool, because the tool is not oily. Just push up hard and twist.
That's hard. Hard. Okay.
Gotta go faster, you're gonna make a mess on your hand. You gotta go fast. Twist, 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 twist. It's coming down your arm now.
Twist, twist. You gotta twist. It's not fun. It's just twisting. Get it out. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Keep twisting, Joe. Twist fast. Just twist, 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 twist. There you go. Keep going. This is hard.
Come on.
Gotta get the new filter.
Is there anything you have to do to the new filter?
You have to put oil on the ring, right?
That's correct. Oh.
I hate these things, they're so tight.
Just your finger. Just dip your finger in it.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
And now we need to go under. Wait, actually, oh, what is that one like? Okay. I feel it and should the sticker come off? Okay.
That's
all
right.
the way this way, and all the way that way, all the way that way, and that way. So I went. So then see when she went quiet when I was talking. And that's better. It's not perfect, but so I just started now.
That's good. That's good.
Sorry, I was gonna drink the whole vitamin C, but then I realized I should just drink.
All right, Drew. What's the next step?
Now I gotta put this in the oil. We're gonna put the funnel in the key right there,
Mm-hmm.
and then we're gonna put this thing in here. So
What thing?
the oil, motor oil.
All right. Record this first.
Yeah.
Are you sure you got it, or you want me to help you hold it?
I think you need to hold it. I gotta like.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Chill, 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 chill.
I'm gonna get. See. Oh, it's.
Every last time.